Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be taking you guys on to my journey of decorating my graduation cap finally. As you guys saw in my previous video, I was taking the pictures for my virtual commencement and you guys saw what a struggle that was, and I didn't have my cap decorated, but I was finally able to schedule an appointment with my photographer now that she's back in the open. So this Saturday, which is 2 days from now, I will be taking my graduation pictures finally, and anyone that's graduated or is going to be graduating during this pandemic knows the struggle. And so now that I know that I can go back to campus just to take pictures, I was confident enough to contact her, and she said that she was confident enough to open up again. So now I'm excited and I can't wait. So now I can finally take you guys with me to decorate my graduation cap, and I hope it comes out fine because I did kind of like scrap up these pieces from anywhere that I can find. Like, I had such an amazing design planned for my graduation. Well, I had everything planned for graduation, but as you all know, everything got canceled. So I bought some materials from Amazon. I bought exactly anything I could find to decorate the cap, and I hope it comes out pretty. So together you guys will see, and I can also link the products down below that I bought so that if you guys needed to purchase them for your cap, you can be able to, and I hope it comes out pretty. So let's see. Okay, so before I start, I feel like I need a little bit of kick of energy and I need chocolate or something. So I have some brigadeiro I purchased. This is just some leftovers. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So this is what brigadeiros are. So these are leftovers. They're basically Brazilian, almost like truffles. They're with condensed milk and I believe cocoa powder or something, which is chocolatey. And they're really good. So I'm gonna go for the cinnamon flavor, cinnamon sugar, and I think this is Oreo. This is coconut. It's really good. And I'll probably just do pistachio. So I actually got these from, if you guys live in Miami or Orlando, you guys are probably very familiar with this place called Oh My Gosh Brigadeiros, and they're amazing. So check them out if you live nearby. I would totally check them out. Okay, I'll get back to you guys once I eat this and I am refreshed so that we can continue with the video. Alright, these are the items that I actually purchased on Amazon. So I bought 3 different shades of flowers that I thought would look good together. They have these little pearls that I thought were cute and added more detail and a nicer look to them. So these are the 3 shades that I bought. See, like these 2 are almost close, but I have a feeling once I start mixing them in with the white that you'll start to notice the difference and that they'll look pretty together. And I also bought, it comes in 2 letters. Okay, so the letter stickers have 2 sheets inside each pack, so I thought buying an extra one was good just in case I mess up. So they are the gold letters that I will be placing on my cap, as well as these diamond looking studs that I'm going to be placing around my cap on the edges. And yeah, so I had some inspiration from Pinterest for my cap and I hope I get it right. So I think what I'm planning on writing is, and so the adventure begins. I have some notes on here. And so the adventure begins, and then some flowers, and then I'd write architect on the bottom and then bedazzle the sides. So I hope this works out. And I think we should start with the letters first, just so that there's no mess ups. Okay, the front is on this side, so make sure not to make that mistake when you design your cap, because then your cap will be backwards. So the front will go upwards, just like that. And so now I will take out the letter A. Alright, so now that I wrote architect, I'm for sure gonna fix that up there since they look a little crooked, but we could do that after. So now I'm gonna take these bedazzled little studs and I'm gonna just put it on these two edges over there for now. And for later, like, it doesn't matter if the flowers overlap it. Now is when we will start putting in the flowers. I'm gonna just randomize it for now. Alright guys, so I think this is the look that I'm going for. And I think I'm ready to start gluing the flowers. But what I'm afraid of is that I'm gonna actually start gluing them with this Loctite super glue because that's the only glue I was able to find. So what I'm gonna do is take a few drops of Loctite glue. I think that much glue. I've just put a little few dots. I think that should be enough. See those dots? That should be enough to glue it. Alright, so I just want to show you guys how it looks like in natural lighting. This is outside and honestly it's gorgeous. I did not expect it to come out this cute. I mean, I really hope this helps you guys figure out what you're going to design for your cap and gown. I mean just your cap, because you're not going to design your gown. So I am officially done, and that took me a while, but it was hard to commit on the gluing part, especially because there's no going back once you mess up. And so yeah, I definitely love the results. And so if you guys like what you see, I will definitely be leaving the links for the Amazon products for what I used on this cap down below, so that you can use it for your caps if you guys decide to decorate them with the products that I used. And so if you guys are designing your caps for graduation, please leave a comment down below and let me know how is it going for you, as well as what are some products you used and what are the struggles you had. And don't forget to like this video, as well as subscribe to my channel for more DIY videos, as well as some cool videos that I would be creating on my spare time. And so yeah, I can't wait for my photo shoot, and I'll definitely keep you guys updated with how that goes. And so yeah, I post every week, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, love you guys.